Alright guys, Jeremy here again. This is update number 6 still. This is going to be part 2. Complete overhaul of my tank. This is Abby. Say hi, Abby. And she just wants to give me love. Okay. Let's just jump on into it. Here we go. So I have a brand new substrate that I'm going to be going with. Aqua growth soil. It's like a volcanic ash or something like that. It's supposed to be really good. We'll see how it goes. Got some new plants, a bunch of new plants. Got some rotella, some temple, and some ancharis. So it's all stuff that I've had in here before. So yeah, like I said, all the substrate is coming out. I'm gonna save the water. Well, 10 gallons of it, it's a 15-gallon tank. 10 gallons of it in 5-gallon buckets, just so I already have processed water. It's not like starting a new tank. And then reposition the rock, reposition the wood. When I drain it, I'm probably gonna take the tank outside, just completely rinse it out, and we'll see where it goes from there. Alright, so I forgot to turn my camera, but I am now siphoning my water with my tiny siphon. And time lapse in 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Alright, time for another 5-gallon bucket. Alright, so we're getting down to that last little bit. We're going to want to try to get our end of the siphon as close to the bottom of the tank as possible. And that'll be it. Okay. Let's take this puppy outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a cup. I use a plastic cup so I don't scratch the sides of my tank. And scoop all of the bottom, but we don't want to rub the substrate around the sides because it can scratch the glass and then you don't get a nice pretty view from the outside in. I'll grab a water hose and rinse it out. So now we're gonna go back inside.